So I braided my hair because when I come out of the shower, it's easier to handle. So I just brush it and braid it in the shower. So this is how long my hair is. Okay. It also depends on the conditioner and shampoo that you use, and I haven't been using my normal ones so far, but it depends on a lot of things. I'm gonna leave mine in, and I didn't rinse off all of my conditioner because it is a healthier, more natural ingredients. There are some like little black stuff. Usually I don't want this stuff. If you have white hair, there might be the black spots. Since I'm going to bed, I don't want my hair to be damp in the bonnet, so I'm going to use a hair towel and I'm going to twist it. I know I can brush it, but I don't want to brush it. It's better if you brush it because if you want exact waves that are not frizzy, as in they don't have any curls, and you want it straight, then you can brush it, but I don't mind. I just had an aha moment about Sippy Death. Just what is she doing? So if I want it like straight, I'll just use my fingers. And then just double tie it. I think I needed to tie this again, but it's not bothering me, it's not pulling on my hair. So I can leave it like this, or just because I want these to stay in place, and I know I have the butter so it won't do much, because then it won't go frizzy, but when it's dry I can put the bonnet to sleep because I still have a few hours before I go to bed. And then this will help soak up anything. You can leave it out without the towel. You can go to sleep like this. It's up to you.